Hello, hello. Hello. I'm just sharing our live, ladies. Okay, and I'll be right with you. Hello ladies, how are you? Okay ladies, how are you doing? Thank you so much. You're here with me. Hi. Yes, thank you so much, Sis Adele. You're there. Thank you. Happy birthday. Ay, saya ko, birthday ko. Yes, birthday ko sa Pilipinas, pero tomorrow pa ang celebration namin dito sa US. And kasi 22 pa lang po dito. Hi, Let. Kumusta na? Thank you, Let. Regalo ko. Okay. Would you be able to share our live po today? Okay. So, ladies, sabihin nyo sa akin if you want something like this. Okay? Kasi ibi-birthday sale ko ngayon. Itong ganito. Maganda ito isuot kapag naka-formal nga ako, 'di ba? Pero maganda pa rin siya, 'di ba? Tingnan niyo, okay? Pero lalo na kapag isusuot niyo ito kapag naka ano kayo, naka what you call this? Naka-sporty look lang, mas maganda siya. Okay? Meron kasing nag-ano dito sa akin damit. All right, so now ilan na ang ating gusto niyo bang sumama sa pagpunta kami sa tito ni Tita Neng ngayon. Okay, ingat, Let. Okay, so do you want to be with me sa ating palaro? Okay. Palaro. Ladies, you know this one. This is the pig real cowhide leather, top quality natin. Alright? So, if you wanted to get this kind of bag, mura lang po sa GFM. Grabe, mahal po ito. But, this one is kasha sa LBC pouch. So, if you wanted to get something like this, a purse, natutupi ito. It's so soft. The leather is so soft. So if you're located in the Philippines and you wanted to get something like this, kayang-kaya po sa pouch ito. Kasya po siya. So this is on deepest sale for my birthday. I'm not gonna tell the price because this is a secret. But if you wanted this one, message me, okay? I will not be telling the price publicly, okay? So this is a treat for those who really want something like this. Message me and I'm gonna give this to you at a very, very deep sale, okay? So I have colors like that. You can see that one. This one is more of a taupe. Yeah, this one is like a taupe. I have the off-white. This one is the favorite color of almost everybody. The off-white. I also have the red, the blue, you know. I also have the pink peach, okay? Ay, ano nangyari sa ating sa ating mga viewers? Sandali lang po. Mukhang nagkakaroon ng problema po ang ating viewership. Sandali lang po, ha? Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, sandali lang po mga ladies. I'll be back. My goodness, ha? Yung mga gusto nito. Hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo ang price sa public. If you want this, message nyo lang ako. Sabihin nyo, magkano mo ito ibibigay? Magugulat kayo, okay? Because this one is actually selling for $225, pero sa store ko, I'm selling it only for $189. But I'm going to have a very secret and deep sale on this one. So if anyone wants this this is an H bag. It's PIC, P-I-C. Meron pa siyang kasunod, but I'm not doing the whole brand para at least hindi po tayo. Sandali lang mga sis, ha? So, I'm just going to relax, if anyone wants to see something, I'm going to show it to you, pero pag hindi nyo ito gusto, pupunta ako sa pinakagusto ko is actually the jewelries, okay? So, I'm going to actually do jewelries tonight. And also, baka watches then, okay, if time permits. Because it's going to be just a very, very, very short live. Okay, short live lang ako ngayon. Okay, so 1 hour siguro. Okay, so kung meron kayong gusto, if you want anything, let me know. Doon ako pupunta kaagad. Okay, 1 hour. So it starts now. I will be out 7 o'clock. Okay, kasi may pupuntahan po kami. So 7 o'clock, alis na ako. So if anyone wants to see anything right now, comment na po kayo. Okay, so I'm going to show na jewelry kaagad. Okay, jewelries na kagad ipapakita natin mga ladies. So you don't have to actually wait for me. Okay, as I've said, this H bag, this is the famous H bag right now. You know this one, okay? So this is on deep sale. I will be adding four free gifts for this bag. You have a real leather horse charm. You are going to receive a twilly. You are going to receive an extra crossbody strap. Mahal po ito. Okay, mahal ito because hindi po lahat ng maganitong bag may ganito. Okay? And then the most favorite of all that I love is I'm giving a free organizer sa bag na ganito. Okay? Diba? Pina-customize ko ito. Kaya po ito talaga ay $225. But I'm giving it $189. Pero yung $189 na yun, may sobra pang bawas. Okay? So if you want anything at all, okay? Magugulat kayo sa price na ibibigay ko. Okay? Hindi nyo ito mahihindian. Pero, if you really wanted to have a bag right now of this kind, message me, okay? I will not be doing it publicly, okay? I will have a secret Secret Mind, Secret Mind Messenger, okay? So, message nyo lang ako sa Messenger if you want this one. And I'm going to give you the price, okay? I'm just going to give this to a person who is really, whatchamacallit, ang ganda nito. Who is really into buying, okay? Hindi yung mag-aano lang, magkikipaglaro lang sa akin. I don't have time for those makikipaglaro. If you don't want it, don't ask me, don't message me, okay? If you just want to know the price, please, wag na lang po, no. Okay? Sabi ko sa inyo, 189 to, pero malaki pa ang bawas ko. Okay? So if anyone is looking for a bag like this, okay? Now is the time for you to message me. I'm waiting, okay? All right, I have more colors. Okay, ito rin favorite color ko. Okay, this is my favorite color. Napakaganda, ladies. Okay, I have four inclusion. Wala ito sa iba. Pina-customize ko po siya. Galing po ito sa factory, okay? So, pina-customize ko. You have an organizer inside. Kung ano yung color po ng bag, yun po ang color ng organizer, okay? And then, I have also the Twilly. I have the horse pony. And most of all, the one that I'm telling you, I'm giving an extra crossbody strap. This is not actually included, okay? But I'm going to include, okay? So if anyone wants this one is actually for sale, but message me because I have a surprise amount for my bells. I'm not going to tell publicly. If you're interested to buy one, I have 5 colors, okay? I have the off-white. I have the peach pink, okay? I have the red. I have the red. Okay, look at that. With 4 inclusion. And I have the blue. Oh my goodness, this one is increasingly their best seller. Their best selling color, ladies, is itong hawak ko. Okay, this is the best selling color. And the other one, this one. Okay, if anyone is interested, do not mind publicly, message me right now, okay? I'm gonna wait for your messages. If anyone wants it, I'm going to drop it, really drop it, bottom line, okay? You are going to enjoy what I'm going to do. It's my birthday, of course, so I'm giving a gift for you. Ay, hi Jen! Nandiyan ka pala, Jen? Yes, Jen, I have 5 colors. Hello, hello. This is one of my favorite as well, okay? All right. There you go. Hold on lang mga sis, ha? So, I have 5 colors right now. Hala, sandali lang po, ha? Oh, I'm getting more, ano po, ha? Messages, kung may interested sa inyo, message me right now. PM lang po, PM. Okay? PM lang. Naku, madami na sis. Okay? Madami na. Sandali lang po. Isa-isahin ko kayo. Kung may interested sa inyo, message me right now. PM lang po. PM. Okay? PM lang. Naku, madami na sis. Okay? Okay, ladies. I'm giving you... Sabihin niyo sa akin kung ano yung gusto niyong color para at least makuha niyo kaagad. Okay? Hold on lang po ha. Sinasagot ko isa-isa. Okay, so I have 5 colors, mga ladies. Alright, hold on lang po ha. Bagal po yung aking computer. Hello! Hi, Ate Evan! Kumusta kayo? Andito po si Ate Evan. Okay, hold on po. 3 na lang po ang sasagutin ko ha. Sandali lang. Okay. Okay, because this is drop na, ladies ha, because this is drop na the amount, okay, you are, this is not free shipping po, pero mura lang po ang ating shipping, okay? This is super drop. From 189, I'm giving it to an amount. So message me if you're interested. I have 5 more colors, okay? I have 5 more colors. Okay, I'm giving it a really bottom line price for my birthday. Okay, just for today, ladies. Hindi ko to gagawin na just for this hour lang po. Just for this hour, hindi pwede extend. Okay? Sabihin niyo sa akin ang color na gusto niyo and that's going to be yours. Ladies, that's going to be yours. And of course, because this is a bottom price, we cannot, this is not qualified pala for returns, refunds, or exchanges. But the items are really, really gorgeous po. The items are really gorgeous and they are so super po new, okay? So this one is super soft bag. Ladies, alam nyo po, this bag is replicated doon po sa original one. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Meron pong nagtatanong ng isang color. Sandali lang po ha. Okay, so, okay ladies, so, mag-ano lang kayo, mag-send lang kayo ng inyong mga gusto dito sa mga bags na ito, okay? From 189, bottom price is magugulat kayo kung magkano, okay? So, if anyone wants to get these colors again, let me know po, ha? Let me know. Meron na pong nag-mine, okay? So, tsaka ko na lang po sasabihin sa inyo kasi I don't want to actually post, okay? So, meron na pong nag-mine. Okay, so meron na pong mga nag-mine. So, kayo po ang kukuha nito if anyone wants. Okay, meron pa po akong mga number of pieces po, ha? So, you don't have to worry. So, ladies, my oh my. This is the best price that I'm giving right now, okay? So, message me. Sasagutin ko kayo because this one is my latest. This is my new arrival, ladies. Kaya po ito ay secret lang natin to. Secret mine. Okay, secret. Alright? Next item tayo mga sis. Next item tayo. Okay? Bagong dating lang din siya. This one. Alright? This one is super gorgeous. Grabe po, I love this. Hindi ko pa po siya na i-show sa page kasi bagong dating. This is also top quality. Ladies, lahat po ng purses ko na sinasabi kong top quality po, they are made of real cowhide leather. Okay? Real cowhide. I have mga split leather. Okay? Yun yung po, mga mura po yung mga split leather natin nasa less than 100. Pero meron din akong real leather na less than 100. So, lahat po dito, lalo na po itong mga top quality natin, I really have a very gorgeous price, okay? I love this bag. Why? Ang ganda po, very spacious, ladies. Ayan, very spacious and amoy na amoy nyo ang bango po ng leather niya. And inside is actually suede. Suede po ang loob niyan. Alright? So, ladies, isa lang yata ang ganito ko o dalawa. I'm not so sure po. Tingnan ko po sa baba. But this one is priced at a very good price right now. Ladies. Okay. Alright. Sandali lang po ha. I'm going to give you the price. Diba? Mas maganda yung bibigay ko sa yung price, ladies. Ladies, don't, nako, this is the best ever that I'm giving the price for the 5 colors of pink. This is an H bag. Okay, I'm just giving you the first 3 syllables of the brand. PIC, and it ends with N, you know the brand. Hi, Mapet Mapet. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Ladies, from 189, ibinaba ko sobra ang price nito. This is a real cowhide leather, and this one is super, super soft. And it includes all the inclusion, 4 inclusion. The horse, this one, and also what else? It has also an organizer inside. Hi, Papa. Wala, hindi ko nakita si Ruru pa. And then after that, it also has this, an extra crossbody strap. Do you know how much the price for the 4? It's actually $125 if you're going to buy it separately, okay? Pero binibigay ko po, okay? So now, punta muna tayo dito sa very good bag that just actually arrived. This is my LV. You know what? I'm into leather. Minsan lang ako gumagamit ng monogram. So, kung makikita niyo po ako, I'm using LV but actually in real leather. Like one that I have. I think if Aji is there, we have the same yellow. Sa kanya is yellow LV. The twist, do you know the twist, the LV twist? That's what I have, okay? So I love really collecting real leather, okay, ng LV. I'm not into monogram, but I still want to actually hold the monogram. But I really want it because why? It's not loud, okay? I'm a person who does not want to really wear something very loud, okay? So, forgive me, alam ko may mga iba dyan na they really wanted big logos, but I can definitely buy you one, yung mga big logos if you want, just like this. But this one, the difference of this one is actually just one logo, okay? And it was actually surrounded with the blooms, okay? This one is real leather as well. Real leather. Ladies, hinahanap ko yung price. Okay, the price. Okay, una kasing dumating yung black and off-white. Now, dumating yung ibang colors. Hold on lang mga ladies, babies. Okay? Alright. Ooh. Okay. It's selling on my calculation for $175 for this one. Okay? It has a strap, okay? But ladies, it's my birthday. That's why I'm telling you I'm giving a very huge discount. Okay? All right, for this one. Sandali lang po ha. Naaano ako eh. Okay. All right. I'm giving this one from $175. I'm giving this one for $129 tonight. From $175 real cowhide leather, I'm giving it for $129 tonight. $129 for this LV real leather cowhide tote bag. Okay? Ang ganda po niya. Ay, my goodness gracious, ladies. You can definitely use this one like that. And, okay, you can use also the crossbody strap. Okay? And inside this one, look at that. Suede po ang loob niyan. Alright? So, that's the cowhide leather. Alright? Ladies, if you want to claim this one, claim LV beige, okay? Claim LV beige. For only, grabe, sobra from $179, I'm giving a birthday discount of $50, okay? Ladies, ito po, mahal po siya talaga. Kahit tanungin niyo po dun sa mga nagbebenta ng premium, they are actually selling it for 200 plus, or between 250 to 300. I'm giving it $129. So if anyone wants it, ladies, hindi nyo na pag-isipan, maganda po ito, okay? $129, it's very smooth in and out, okay? In and out, makikita nyo naman po yan, okay? That's why I love real leather. Hindi po ako pagsisinungalingan ng leather, okay? So this one, Super, super nice. Okay? I have three colors. Okay? I have the oopsies. Nalaglag siya. Bili ko ha. I have three colors. I have the combination black and white. And also, this one is the black. Okay, just the black. Okay, they are not zippered. They are actually open-toed. You only have this, okay, to attach. All right, so it's not actually zippered. And even the original is not zippered, okay? So this one is actually selling for only $129. Oh my goodness, okay? So if anyone wants this, just say mine two-tone $129, mine black $129, and mine beige $129. Okay? So ladies, go, go, go. Okay po, yung iba nating bags po, sold out na po, ha? Okay. Wait a minute, ladies. Pasensya na po, ha? Did I answer all the questions, ladies? Okay. Okay, so actually, ladies, ang ating going back ulit sa ating mga items, okay? So ito po ang mga items natin po ay kopyang-kopya po, replica. We call it replica, okay? So whatever is the original, that's the one that it's actually showing you. So for this is OTG. They call it OTG. So this one is wala talagang zipper ang OTG, okay? They have also different styles. They have this kind of crossbody. They also have the canvas, okay? Yun ang gusto ko rin kunin, the canvas, but it's still, you know, I just still want to actually explore on a lot of things before getting the canvas. Kasi ito is a really good one. I can definitely use this for casual and for formal. So that's why I love the leather crossbody strap. Okay? So magugustuhan nyo rin ito. I love the leather crossbody strap. Okay, ladies, this will not go last. Okay? This will not remain in the store because I'm giving it up for $129. Kung makikita po ninyo ang, let me check this one, magkano ang mga OTG ngayon. Ang mga OTG ngayon, katulad nito, MM po ito, okay? So the OTG ngayon is nasa 4,000 plus. $4,000 to $5,000. And I'm just giving you a little fraction of that. And this is replica and a real cowhide leather. So wala na kayong hahanapin pa, okay? So next item na tayo, alright? Alright. Kasi sandali lang po ako. I may not be able to actually, pag-isipan nyo lang, the sale will be until this 12 midnight po. I will not be extending it up to tomorrow kasi super baba po ang bigay ko. It's deep sale for this moment only up to 12 midnight, okay? I will not be giving it kasi talaga po the price is okay na for that for the price before my sale, okay? So Pag-isipan nyo po, okay? Pag-isipan nyo lang. Alright, next item po. Kaya lang, minsan nakikita ko yung ating mga ladies, mas gusto nilang bumili ng mahal. Nakita ko ang daming bumili nito when this was 189. They are actually nag-aaway pa sila. Ngayon, I'm giving it at a very good price. Pero may mga sinagot na ako. Ang iba sabi nila, they want to actually get it, okay? Yung iba naman, pag-iisipan pa. Maiyak ako sa inyo. Alright? So, maiyak ako sa inyo. Alright, so ladies, okay. Alright, I'll just put it here and we'll go somewhere else, okay? We'll go somewhere else. I'm going to show you sabi ni Aji, so tempting, but I'm swimming in purses. O sige, ang gawin mo, Aji, para hindi ka mag-swim sa purses, mag-live ka, ibigay mo rin yung mga ibang purses mo, i-sell mo. I'm just kidding, okay? I'm just kidding, but you know what? Ang ginagawa ko sa mga purses ko, ang iba talaga, you know, inaano ko, binibigay ko na lang sa kanila. Alright, so minsan nga, nahuhubaran ako ginagamit ko na merong, you know, mga kamag-anak who wants to get your ayun, kanila na. Okay, ladies. Alright. Next item. Okay, next item, because I will be with you until 7 o'clock lang, okay? So, 7:30, pwede ako mag-extend up to 7:30, pero may lakad po kasi ako, okay? So, I'm going to actually just be quick. Sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung gusto nyo makita, ladies. Because I'm dropping prices right now. Okay, sabihin nyo kung ano yung mga nakalagay sa inyong bucket list, okay? Okay. Ilagay nyo yung mga, sa akin, yung mga, actually po, yung mga, hindi pa luma yung mga bags ko, yung iba ko pong MJ, mga Coach, at saka, kasi yan yung mga gamit ko noon. Pero ngayon, iba na yung nakalagay sa aking closet ngayon. Ito ng mga, aking mga replica na real leather. Okay, sandali lang po, ha? Okay. Medyo nahihirapan po akong magtanggal ng ating medyo hirap yung kamay. Okay, ladies. Ang gaganda ng mga purses, ladies. Pati ako, naiinis ako. Sabi ko, ba't ba ang gaganda ninyo? Alright? Pwede ba kayong hindi na gumanda? Ladies, abangan nyo po yung mga ibang collection ng GFM US. Parating po. Pero parating po yung iba matatagalan pa. Ang gaganda po. So if you want to have a collection po, mag-ano rin kayo, bagong collection, mag-live selling kayo. O, diba? O, ibenta nyo yung ibang mga items ninyo to make room. Tinuruan, ang bad nitong tendera ng ito. Tinuruan kayo. I'm just kidding. Masaya lang po ako. I'm just happy. God has been so good. Alright. So, ngayon, I'm going to show you the items, especially jewelries, na gustong-gusto nyong ma-sale, pero hindi ko pa sinisale ng sobra. Okay? Umpisa tayo sa one item. Okay. So, meron na pong nag-mine ng, actually po, may nagmamine na po, ha, ladies, sa mga, natin, sasabihin ko na po kung sold out o hindi po, ha, okay. Pero may na-sold na po tayo. Okay, yours na po yon. Sa nag-message sa akin, meron pong bumili ng isang, H-Peak na off-white, okay. At saka meron din pong bumili ng Peak na taupe. Okay? And then ngayon po may bumili ng ating LV. Naku, isa lang mukhang dalawa ito. Okay? Meron pong bumili ng isang beige na LV. Ito po. Meron pa po ako nito. Kaya kung meron pa po may gusto nito. Nako, ito meron pa po ako nito. Hold on lang po, ha? Okay. The reason why I love this, isa-isahin ko. Let me count the ways. I love thee because what? It's actually real leather. Okay? Real cowhide. When I say cowhide, yan yung top grain niya. Alright? It's made sa loob po, suede yan. Okay? Makikita nyo po yung stamp ng LV. Ayun po. Hindi ko lang maipakita ng maayos. Okay? Andi dito din po yung this one, maraming nagsasabi, does it have a chip? Nako, ikaw ba pag nag-bag ka, kailangan mo bang ipakita sa kanila, ito yung bag ko, tingnan mo, may chip. No, you don't need that. Okay? That's just an added, something, okay? To make the bag really expensive. Okay? All I need is real leather. That's what I said to my supplier. I don't care about the chip anymore, okay? So, this one is actually real leather inside and out. It's a real suede inside. Okay? Let me count the ways. I love how they did this one, okay? And the two-tone. It's a two-tone, ladies. Look at that. Okay, may kumuha na po nito. May available pa po akong iba sa baba, okay? So, if anyone wants this, okay? Yung nag-message sa akin po, ay ino-note ko na lang, pero hindi ko po ipapakita sa live ko po, ha? Kung sino yung bumili. I'm now actually getting, I wanted privacy for my ladies na, okay? So, hindi ko na po siya ipapakita na sold ito sa live, pero sasabihin ko po, ito po, may kumuha na nito, okay? Alright. So, my dear lady, sa inyo na ito. Okay, mamaya ko na po ilalagay yung inyong pangalan. I'm gonna answer muna mga messages, ladies, ha? Give me some time po, ha? Okay. Alright. So, let me go and check ang isa pa pong color doon ay yung isang ganito. Mukhang dalawa lang po ang dumating. Ladies, bago lang po ito. Bagong dating po ito, ha? Kakapanik ko lang nga ngayon po, eh. Alright, hold on po, ha? I'll check the other one. Okay. Sandali lang po. Okay, ladies, I'm back with more items on my hand. Hello. Tatlo na lang tayo. Okay, so this one may isa pa po. Dalawa lang pala sila. Alright? Dalawa lang sila. Alright, so this one is taken. So may isa pa. Alright. Pati po yung ating, this one, meron pa po akong isang ganito. Taken na rin po ito. This one is kung makikita nyo sa malapit, it's like, parang hindi off-white, no? Parang pinkish siya, oh. Or baka sa phone ko lang. Ito. Okay. And this one is also, nasaan na yung isa? Nasaan na yung, ito. Ay, where is it? Hold on lang mga ladies, ha. There you go. Okay. Ay, hindi ito. Nagkakaano na ang ating. Alright, ladies. Ang gaganda nila. No, taken po. Dalawa pala sila, eh. Hindi dito. Okay, tamang-tama. Hindi na po mahirapan ako. Okay, ladies. Thank you so much po doon sa mga nag-mine. And I have here, ladies, if you could see that one, I have a newly arrived H. Grabe. Ladies, this is size 36. This is top quality H. Okay? Top quality po ito. Alright. That's that first color. Second color is size 37. May plastic pa po. Tanggalin nyo ito pag if you want to use this one. Size 37 for this. Top quality rin yan. Another size 37 is this one. Tingnan nyo naman, no? Sa ilalim pa lang. Grabe na. Okay, ang ganda po niya. Real leather po ito. Okay? Kaya siya top quality. Real leather po ito. Alright? Alright. Okay, so ito lang ang dumating na color ng H. Okay? Yan lang po. So, if we're going to actually, if anyone is interested, ladies, let me know. Okay? Let me know. Hold on lang po, ha? Okay, let's go to our jewelries, ladies. Time is, ay, ano nangyari sa ating mga viewers? Ba't ganon? Nawawala ba sila? Or ako ang nawawala? Okay. Next item tayo. Next item tayo mga sis. Alright. Hi, Papa. How are you? Okay, ladies. Dahil konti lang tayo ngayon, I'm going to actually give... Hello, Papa. How are you then? Okay. Alright. I am going to show you ganda po ng ating mga H designs, ladies. Hindi ko may pakita ng ano, yan, ganyan. Ang ganda niya. Dapat nakaangat siya, no? Nakaganyan. Oh my goodness, ang ganda niya. Para namang mumu yung aking boses. Okay. Ladies, ha? $5. Meron pa tayong ganito, oh. $5. Okay. Alright. I-ano natin, elevate the fit. Elevate the fit. Ay, hindi kita. Okay, ganyan. Naririnig ko yung boses ko. Okay, mga ladies, sa ating dalawang eyes na nandiyan dyan, thank you for joining me, okay? Ang gaganda nila po. Oh, I love this one. Oh, tanungin niyo ako kung magkano yan. Sandali po, ha? Ay, tingnan natin. Okay. Ay, tama ba ito? Sandali lang po, ha? Okay, if anyone wants that po, naka-sale po ito. Okay, from $80, bibigay ko po ingan ng $69. $69 po ito kung meron po may gusto. 36 and 37 sizes lang po siya, ha? Okay, so next item, inaantok po si Seller. Grabe, inaantok si Seller. Ang ganda nito, ladies. Hindi po ito pipitsugin because this one is top quality. Okay? That means real leather po ito. Matagal niyo ito gagamitin. Okay, punta tayo sa ating bago ako antukin. Okay? Sabi ko, 7 o'clock lang ako, no? Mga 30 minutes na lang, nagmamadali na ako. Okay? Hold on, ladies. Okay, dapat pala nag-coffee na lang ako, no? Nag-coffee ako, sabi ng asawa ko, gusto mo mag-coffee? Wag na muna, Papa, mag-ano muna ako. Kunyari pa ako. Yung pala, kailangan kong coffee. Hello, ladies. Hi, 4. Kumusta na kayo, 4? Okay, ang dami ko pa pong gustong ilabas pero I'm pressed of time. Grabe ladies, this one is premium quality. Ito po, pagsuot ko ito, gustong-gusto ng aking mga kaibigan. Medyo ano pa siya, mahigpit. Kasi po, pag mahigpit, bago pa rin po siya. Ayan ito, natanggal natin. Okay? Ayan. Wala itong mga, ano, kaya po ito premium quality. Wala siyang ano, what you call it, backings. Okay? Ayan siya. Napakaganda nitong earrings na to. Okay? Premium. Tiffany. Hala, bakit ko sinabi ang ano? Tiff, okay? Tiff links. Ang tawag nila dito. Link. Okay? Ladies, this is authentic quality. And 18K plated. Was selling for $28. I'm giving this one for $15 tonight. If anyone wants the $15, mine $56. $15. Pag nag-mine po kayo with amount po ha, mine $56, $15. If you're looking for a tiff, okay, that is authentic quality, mine $56 for $15. Next item. Grabe, ang ganda niya, ladies. Okay? I'm telling you, investment ko ito. I have this. Ang tagal na po sa akin. I have this 2 years ago. Hanggang ngayon, ganito pa kaganda. Ay, hindi ako nagbibiro. I'm telling you, our jewelries, when I say authentic quality po, and mga line of 28 to 35 ang earrings, talagang maganda ang quality. Okay? For $15, mine $56. Next item. Ganda. Alright? Lahat po ng tiff natin ngayon ay $15. Okay? So, grabe po. Super nice. This is the nice tiff. Ang ganda nito, lalo na kapag may mga special occasion kayo. Suot ninyo ito. Oh my goodness, ladies. Ang ganda po nito. Napaka-elegante po niya. Okay? Napaka-elegante. Super elegant. $15, ladies. $15. This is an elegant, authentic quality tiff. Okay, 18K coated. 18K coated. Stainless steel, non-tarnished, hypoallergenic. Mine $40 for $15. Mine $40 for $15. Next item. Okay, ladies, hanggang 12 midnight lang ang aking sale. Okay, for this mga items na to. Hanggang 12 midnight lang. Hindi na po pwede bukas ha. Okay, hindi na po pwede bukas. Hanggang 12 midnight na po. Ngayon po kasi ang katapusan ng ating sales. Yung marami pa po nagme-message sa akin that they're buying some items from me. Okay lang po. Yung kahapon, they review my live and marami pa rin pong naghumahabol. Same price pa rin po tayo hanggang 12 midnight mamaya. This one is a different design. May pagka malapad yung kanyang link, okay? But they have the same price. If anyone wants this, from $28, now it's $15 only. $15, mine $90. Mine $90, okay? Ang ganda nito. What I love about this, ladies, you can wear it like that, na isa lang, okay? Isa lang. Katulad din ng iba. And then, lagay nyo lang ito para magkaroon kayo ng another earring. Okay, so this is a two-style. That's why this one is a really good earring. It is a two-style earring. Okay, you can definitely use just one. Okay, ayan po siya, ang ganda niya. Pero sa akin, mas gusto ko ganito. Alright? But if you want to remove this one, you can remove. Ang ganda rin kapag isa lang. Alright? If anyone wants this for $15, mine $90. Okay? I have 3 designs. Mine $40 for the, and mine $56. Pareho silang prices. $15. Next item. Ladies, these are my premium. Okay? These are my premium jewelry. Ito po, investment ito. Mga ito, diri mo, $15 na lang. You're supposed to be buying this one for $28 to $30 po. Earrings pa lang yun, okay? But I'm giving it $15 na. I also have silver, ladies. Okay? For those who are wanting silver, I have it. Okay? Next item. Oh, may silver po ako. Okay, may silver ako. If anyone wants, may silver ako. Pero ibang design itong mga ito. I have the design for gorgeous din siya. Okay? It has a ball. Okay? This one is also premium, ladies. Okay? It has a ball. Premium siya. Ganda oh. You don't need anything. No backings. Just this one. Okay? So that's what you're buying. The premium quality. Okay? So for $15, ang ganda nito. I tell you, pag suot nyo to, they would really be, amazed of the, beautiful, Mine 37 for $15. Okay? Next item. Next item tayo. Alright. Next item tayo, ladies. Okay. Mukhang ayaw nyo ng premium, no? Bibitaw ako sa premium. Ay, ayaw nyo ng premium? Sige, bitawan ko ang premium, okay? Bitawan ko just for you. Okay, another. Ito na. Hindi na premium. Yun na lang mga yung mga gusto nyo kahapon. Oh, this one is CD. Oh, ladies. I love this. Ay, tinabi ko to for myself. Ang ganda po nito, okay? This one is for myself, but if anyone would take it, I can definitely give this one. $5 lang, okay? Hi po, Ate Merly. How are you? Hello po. Dali lang po, ha? Sandali lang po ang live natin ngayon. Okay, ayan, ladies. $5 lang. This is how it looks. Kaya tinabi ko for myself. I love wearing something like, ay, Ate Merly, salamat po. Alam mo si Ate Merly, bumati na yan sa akin kanina. Salamat, Ate Merly. Siya po yung unang-unang bumati sa akin kanina. Nauna ka pa kay nanay ko, Ate Merly. Salamat po, Ate Merly. Okay? So, ayan siyang design niya, ladies. Okay, premium ito, pero ang presyo niya hindi na premium. Para sa inyo, mine 65. Isa na lang ito. Mine 65 for $5. Birthday gift ko sa inyo. Okay? Birthday gift ko, ayaw nyo naman kunin. Sabi kasi nila may gift ba na binabayaran? Oo nga, dapat pag sinabing gift, free. Pero naman po, sige, giveaway na lang. Hindi gift. Giveaway price ko to. For my birthday. Okay? If anyone wants this, kung wala na, kailangan ko na ihiwalay to. Matagal ko na itong hiniwalay for myself, pero nagpapakita pa rin dito sa box ko. But anyway, if anyone wants this, ladies, this is CD, mine 65. Next item. Kung walang mag-mine nito, ko na to. Teka po, ilalagay ko na muna sa aking, dito sa may side ko. Oh, another one that is selling at a very good price tonight. Ladies, mahal ito. I tell you po, $25 ito. Pero bibigay ko na lang po, $10 tonight. Okay? $10 for this one. This is a bangle. Okay? If anyone wants this, okay? Sayang wala dito si Sis Lisa. Hindi siya nakapanood ng ating live. Mine, 50 for this, for $10. Okay? So, pag nag-mine kayo, lagyan nyo po ng price. Mine, 50, $10. Okay? Next item. Nandiyan ba si Ate Evan? Ate Evan, nandiyan po ba kayo? Kasi may gusto si Ate Evan, kaya lang mukhang wala na yata akong mini. Okay, so, sinong gustong sumama sa ating games? Kahit konti na lang tayo, kahit sandali lang. Sinong gustong sumama ng games ngayon? Sige po, magsabay lang kayo ng HBD dyan. Okay? Sabihin mo lang HBD. Oh, ito, ladies. Ito maganda rin. It's necklace yan. Mahaba siya. Okay? And this is actually very good rin. Okay, it's a two-way. Pwede nyo gamitin yung gold side and then the white side. If you want this one, I'm giving this one for $8 only. $8. Mine one. Mine one for $8. Grabe, oh. Nag-sale ako noon, $15. Ngayon, $8 na. Grabe kalahati, ha. May, nako. Ewan ko na lang. Kung hindi nyo pa ito gusto, Ewan ko na lang. Itong $15 po, pag nilagyan ko ng price, ibig sabihin nun, hindi ako pwedeng bumaba. Because $15 is already my cost. Binibigay ko $8. Grabe naman. So, mine, one for $8. Next item. I will just be toggling from premium to authentic to, mga ladies. Para at least, may iba-iba kayong choices. Okay, so this one is a very nice earring. Tingnan nyo naman. Premium din po siya. I'm giving this one for only $6. Okay? $6. You know this brand? Alam niyo po ba ang brand nito? Okay, pangalan ko yan, B. No, this is a brand po. This is a brand name, okay? Mine, 53 for only $5. I'll give this one $5. Mine, 53 for $5, okay? Next item. Oh, may sumali na sa ano natin, sa ating game. HBD daw. O, sino pa pong gustong sumali sa game? Just type HBD. HBD, HBD. That's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay, ladies. Another one. Grabe naman. Maiyak naman ako. HBD lang. HBD lang tayo. Alright? Grabe, ladies, namimigay ako. Sayang yung wala dito, no? Sayang yung wala dito, ladies. Ang ganda nito. Meron po ako nito. Gustong gusto ko siya. One of my favorites. Two-tone yan po. Black and gold. Okay, ladies. Black and gold for my happy birthday sale. Mine 69. Mine 69. Mine 69 for $6. Mine 69 for $6. Lagay niyo po ha, mine 69, 6. Okay, dollars. Mine 69 for $6. Next item. La 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 la. Wala na mag-HBD. Wala nang mag-HBD, walang sasama sa game. Okay, Ate Merly, you're the winner. Wala na po, wala na daw gustong sumali. Si Ate Merly ang winner. I'm going to give you a gift, Ate Merly. Sandali lang po, Wala nang sumali, kaya automatic po si Ate Merly ang ating winner. And Ate Merly, because it's my birthday, I'm going to give you this gift, Ate Merly. Okay? Sandali lang po, ha? Hindi ko na makita kung saan ko nilagay yung mga gift. Ay, nako, nasaan na yun? Sandali lang po, Ate Merly. Okay, Ate Merly, this is my gift for you. Okay? This is my gift for Ate Merly. I'm not so sure kung nabigyan ko na kayo nito. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung nabigyan ko na kayo nito, Ate Merly. Okay? This one is yours. Okay? This one is yours. You're the winner. Thank you so much. Okay? Hold on po. Next item. Sandali po ha. I'm going to just write down the winner. Okay. Masarap yung walang nanonood, ano? Konti lang. Winner ka kagad. Okay, Ate Merly. Sa'yo po ito. This is a brooch po. Okay? Cell brooch ito. Cell. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you po, Ate Merly. Next item that I'm going to give tonight. To give us. This is stamp and coded po. Okay? Stamp and coded. Grabe, mahal po ito. I'm giving only for my happy birthday gift. Okay? Happy birthday gift for my bells. I'm giving it for $6 only. Mine 97 for $6. Mine 97 for $6. This is mini thief. Mini thief charms. Mini thief charms. Mine 97 for $6. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Mine 97, $6. Please write an amount. When you say the code, write the amount, okay? 97 for $6. Grabe po, stamp and coded this one for $6. Next item. Time check, 6:54. I still have 30 minutes, okay? I still have 30 minutes for the new miner. I'm actually located in California, USA. All right, new miners are welcome, okay? All you need to do is just submit for information, name, shipping address, email address, and telephone number. The reason why we're asking for email and telephone because our shipper DHL and FedEx requires those before we can print the label, okay? So ladies, if anyone wants this, I still have the silver for the TIFF. This is blue is the TIFF color, okay? So if anyone wants this, this is stamp and coded item. Mine 72 for $6. Oh, wala pa daw. Oh, mabuti naman po. Wala pa kayo noon. Tamang-tama yung gift ninyo, Ate Merly. Okay? Tamang-tama po. Okay, so if anyone wants this, ladies, mine 72. It's a necklace. Okay? It's a necklace. Next item. I'm really in a hurry, huh? Okay, next item. Oh, this one is super nice. Ladies, you are going to love it. I have this one, okay? You are going to love this. Hi, Ruru. Hi, Ruru. My pusa is here, okay? Look at that. Okay, hold on. I'm going to show you. I am going to show you. The bags are awesome, ladies. Naku, sayang wala po masyadong may nag-mind, pero gusto ko po lahat sana kayo mayroon ganun. Ayan, this is how it looks. Wow, super nice. Side view, okay. Ladies, if you want this one, stamp, okay. Earrings from TIFF. Oh my goodness gracious. Ladies, this one is selling for only $5. Mine 60. Mine 60 for $5. Please take note. You need to actually put the price. Mine 60, $5. Mine 60, $5. Mine 60, $5. I only have one. Okay, the next one is smaller than the pink, okay? They have the same style, but smaller than the pink. Mine 25 for $5. Next item. I've already told you that this Y is selling for only $6. Ladies, I only have one. This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. I don't know why no one would want to mine it. I only have one. I'm selling this one because it's my birthday sale tonight. It's a two-tone black and gold for only $6. Mine 69. Don't wait for it. This is only good up to 12 midnight tonight PST. Okay? If I receive your mine beyond the 12 midnight schedule, or you can't get it. Okay? So next item. This one, $10. This one, $10. This is a bangle, $10. Oh my goodness gracious! I have this one. I've been actually wearing this one for the past 2 years, still the same. Okay, all you need to do is usually wipe this one. Okay, mine 50 for $10. Mine 50. Hindi ko na po inano ha because I am going to remove this one. Mine 50 for $10. I only have one. Okay, next item. I'm just reviewing the beautiful items that's actually on deep sale tonight. All right. Next item. This one was selling $15 before, two-way. You can use the gold part and then you can use the white part. Mine one for $8. Okay, mine one for $8. Okay, there you go. Very good, very good. All right. Wine 50, $10. This one is yours. Okay, this is sold out for $10 for Aliyah. Aliyah, this one is yours. This is so pretty, my dear. You will not regret getting this one for $10. This was selling for $35 before, Aliyah. $35. Yes. A lot actually bought this one from me. I only saved this one for myself that's why I only have one left, but I'm giving it away, okay? I'm giving it away. All right. There you go. That's what that one is yours, Aliyah. I only have 30 minutes. I'm running out of time, but it's okay. Whatever we can do tonight. Aliyah, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next. Next, ladies. I love this. I love this. Look at that. I love this double heart. Ladies, selling for only $6. Mine 77. Mine 77 for $6. Stamped double heart. Okay? Stamped Tiff. This is Tiff. Double heart. Mine 77 for $6. Happy birthday. I thank you, Aliyah. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. That's why I'm giving out these items. You know the brand, right? You know this brand. It's my name. No, it's a brand. Okay, I love this earring. I have one, okay? Mine 53 for $3. Mine 53 for $3. Next item. If I have the gold for $6, it's mine 77. I also have the silver. Okay, ladies, for only $6, get it. Okay, you can definitely decide to remove the small heart and just use the big heart. Okay, so it's actually removable. You can interchange it. You can actually wear 2 hearts or 1 heart. 1 small heart or 1 big heart. It's actually a lot of things that you can do from this. If you want the gold, mine 77 for $6. If you want the silver, this is stiff stamp, okay? Mine 78 for $6, okay? Next item. I love this. Grabe, I love this one. Time check, 7:01. I only have 30 minutes. Aha. Okay, ladies. This is one of my premium necklaces. Stamp as well. All right. And they are so beautiful. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Ladies, I am giving this one for $8 tonight. $8 from $25. It's $8 tonight. Oh my goodness gracious potato. If you want this one, if you want the GG necklace, it's actually, I love the size because hindi siya malaki. It's malaki lang sa screen. It's not, it's actually, look at my yung kamay ko. It's just like that. Okay, $8 for this GG. All right, mine 51. I gave this one, look at that. When I have a mark like this, that means I am not going to sell it below 15 because this is at cost. This is the cost. But I'm giving you $8. This is below cost. So ladies, I don't know with you. This is actually pamigay sale for $8. Mine 51. Next item. Hello 8. How are you today? How are you today? Next item tayo, ladies. These are, the one that I'm showing you are premium already. Premium items. Hi, Ann Cruz. Okay. So, hi, Anne. Where are you located, Anne? You are a new miner. Okay, Aliyah, I'm gonna give you the 51. Hold on. For $8. So, would you be able to give me your the four information that I'm asking? And I'm located at California, USA. Where are you located? I need your name, shipping address, email address, and your telephone number or your cell phone number. Just private message me. As soon as I get those information, I'm going to confirm your mine item, okay? I don't need any deposit, okay? That's all I need. As long as when I invoice, oh, see your sister of Aji. Hi, sister of Aji, Anne. Okay. So, can you please give me your information? Okay. Congratulations on your first mine. Actually, Anne, ikaw yata yung pinakilala sa akin ni Aji. Were you the one? Kasi marami siyang sisters. Baka hindi, ano. Anyway. Si Aji has been our customer for 5 years already. Grabe! Aji Armstrong supported GFM US at the very beginning when we started. So I actually thank Aji, and she's a very, very happy customer. We are not perfect as online store, but Aji actually, I don't know, Aji has this way of yes, ako yon. O, diba? Siya nga yung nakausap ko. So, yes, I really love RG. Okay, so, there you go. This one is yours. Alright. Alright. Hold on po. Okay. Let me go. That one. I will check on this one for Anne. And then for you, my dear Aliyah. Alright? Okay, I still have one more left. For those who want it, okay, I still have one more left. One more $8. Grabe. Oh my goodness. This one is code 51 for $8. It was mined first by Anne. Okay, Anne. Okay, welcome Anne as our new miner. Let's all welcome Anne, ladies. Hello, Anne. How are you? $8 here, coming right up for you. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, Anne. And Papa Anne is Aji's sister. Okay. So, thank you so much, Anne. And then this one is for Aliyah. Okay. Aliyah, my dear, this one is yours. I still have another 51, ladies. So just let me know. This is only $8, okay? Giving everything now. All right, it's my birthday. Ladies, Aliyah, okay, from $25 down to $8. Okay, I sold this at cost $15, but now you're getting it for $8. Thank you so much. Okay, next item. All right, I still have one, ladies. I still have one. Okay, this is the cost. Now I'm giving it for $8. Mine 51. Mine 51 for $8. Next item. Oh no, no, you are going to love this. Ladies, mahal po ito. Pero medyo ko po talaga parang ayaw ko ibigay. Sabi niya, ang damot mo. Kasi po, hindi na, aray ko, maiyak ako, sarili ko. I can't find anything like this. I only have one. O, paunahan na lang, ha? I only have one. You can Google this one. It's actually authentic quality. It's the same with the original, okay? It has 3 charms, okay? It's as good as the original, ladies. Google this one, okay? You can find this, okay? You can find this on the website. I just forgot the, but I have the, sa aking inventory ko. Ano pangalan niya? Thank you so much, sis, ito po, stamp and coded yan, ladies, ha? Alright. From $35. If anyone is willing to get it, half the price. Oh, I even give this one for $15 tonight, okay? If anyone wants this authentic quality, you can use either 1 2 or 3. This is a 3 charm necklace, okay? Mine 87 for $15. Mine 87. Grabe, ladies. 35, $15. This is authentic quality, okay? Authentic quality. Look at that. Looky, looky. All right? Next item. Okay. Walang magmamind. Pwede ko pa itago for myself. Ayokong ilabas kasi po ang hirap hanapin. These are premium items, okay? My 94. I have the gold. I have the silver, okay? Now, if anyone wants to mine this together, kinuha na ni Mine. And if you want to mine this together, I'm giving this $28 both. Instead of $15, you're going mine 87. Si Aliyah nang mine 87. Okay, tingnan ko Aliyah. Okay, sold out tayo sa gold. Okay? Sold out tayo sa gold, $15 for Aliyah and $15 for Anne. Okay? $15. Code 87 for Anne. Okay, Anne, this one is yours. Kindly screenshot. 123 321 123 123 321 123. Anne, thank you so much. And this one is yours, Aliyah. The last one. $15. Grabe po. Ang ganda nito, okay? Thank you so much po. $15, Aliyah. Okay? 123 321 123 123. You are going to love this. I promise you. You're going to love this. I have this and I've been using this for 2 years already and still the same. All you need to do, I'm giving you a magic wipe. A magic pink wipe. That's how you clean it. You just wipe them. Oo, Sister Ano, sinabi niya sa akin. Oo, Aji. Sabi ko, ay, si sister mo siya. Oo. Sinabi po niya sa akin. Thank you, thank you. Alright? Okay, if anyone wants the silver is so gorgeous as well. Okay, if you will get the silver, I am going to give the silver for $13 only. For those who mine the gold. Okay, Anne and Aliyah, if you want to get this one, I'm giving you the silver for $13 only. I have the silver, okay, for $13. Tingnan nyo po, stamp and coded. Pag ganito po, mahal yan, okay? Ladies, my 94. Anne and Aliyah, the ball is yours. Instead of paying $15, I'm giving you this one for $13. Mine 94. Mine 94. If anyone wants it, who did not get the gold, this is $15 for you. Mine 94, okay? Next item. Nakausap ko na siya, di ba, Aji? Dati sabi ko kay Ann, nag-usap na kami. Alright, next item, ladies. Ganda rin ito, isa bibigay ko sa inyo. I love this, ladies. This is TB. You know TB? Hindi po tuberculosis, ha? Ay, maiyak ako sa sarili ko. Ano ba yan? Ladies, nagiging masaya ako. Okay, birthday ko kasi. Ladies, if you wanna get it, get it, get it. I'm giving this one for $5. Mine 13. This is Tori. Mine 13 for $5. Okay, next item. Mine 13, $5. Next item. Hi, Mooney. Hi, baby girl. Why are you here, my baby? Huh? I only have 18 minutes left, mga ladies. Okay, if I will get more items, ano, I'm going to, baka, I don't know, I cannot extend anymore kasi ang dami na pong sale natin, ano? Okay? So, this one is for the special people. Mine 13 si Aliyah. Okay, sold out for, this is $5 only. Grabe, this is TB, this is TB, okay? This is Tori, okay? Ayan, okay? So, this one is $5 for Aliyah. Okay. Okay, Aliyah, this one is yours. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Hello, 9. Okay, next item. Grabe, matutuwa kayo dito. This was selling $25, the one that I'm giving you. Okay? $25. Ladies, I'm giving this one from $25. Same with the GG. Okay? Same with the GG. I'm giving this one for $8. A two-tone lowe, okay? Two-tone lowe, okay? $8. This is the code. This is the code. I only have 2. I need 2 minors for this. $8 for this. Mine 94. Mine 9. Ang ganda isuot nito sa shirts, mga polo white. Pag naka-polo white ka, polo, mga dark, mga plain polos, ang ganda. Mine 94 for $8. Okay? Mine 94 for $8. I only have 2. Mine 94 for $8. Next item. Okay? This one is, teka, sandali lang po ha. Okay, this one is stamp po. Stamp din siya. Kaya mahal po itong item na mga ito. Ayan po. This is the details. This is the details, ladies. Ayan, nahirapan po ang seller. Okay? That's the details po. Naka-stamp. Ayan, may stamp din siya sa likod. O, pag sinabing stamp, ladies, ha, mahal po yan. Very good ang quality. Alright? Alright, let's go, let's go. Aliyah wants it, okay? This one is yours, Aliyah, for $8. I need 2 minors, ladies. Mine 94. I need 2 minors. Naibigay ko na ba yung 13 sa'yo, Aliyah? Ah, ito, nagbigay ko na. Okay, mine 94. $8 for this. Okay, Aliyah, this one is yours. Ladies, imay nyo ito. Ang ganda po nito. Stamp for only $8. So, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Next item. Did I show you this one? Okay, akin na pala ito. Maybe this one is mine again because letter B. I'm going to mine for myself. Okay. Okay. Next item. Okay. I also have a kind that is super gorgeous then, ladies. It's also a lowe. It's also a lowe. Ayan siya. Two-way ito. The gold part and the white part. Ladies, super ganda din. Okay? $8 as well. It's also coded and stamped, this one. Okay, saan ko ba nakita yung code niya? Same with that one. Hold on. Okay, wala siyang code. Bakit siya walang code? Kung walang code, okay, this one is $5 only. Walang code eh. Hindi ko makita. Masyado ng ano si seller. Nagmamadali na. Wala akong makitang code. Baka nasa side. Wala akong makita eh. Okay? Pag walang code, hindi ko siya ibebenta ng ano. I will benta this one for $6. Okay? $6. If anyone wants, mine one. Mine one for $6. Two-way. Okay? Two-way. Next item. Next item. Ang ganda nito. Ladies, kunin nyo na. I have one like this. Okay, I have one like this and I am loving it. Okay. It's also stamped. Okay, it's also stamped and coded Y. O mine one na lang daw si Aliyah, okay? $6 Aliyah for this. Mine one for $6. Ganda nito ha. Two-way ito Aliyah, okay? Two-way for this, okay? Two-way. You can use the white, you can use the gold. So, maganda siya. Okay, for $6 going to Aliyah. Sold out for this one, ladies. Ay, meron pa ba ako? Hold on po, ha? Baka meron pa. Hold on, ladies. Okay, Aliyah, this one is yours. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 7. Hello, 7. How are you? Mukhang wala na po ako. Okay. So, that's the only one I have. Next item. The Y. The Y. Okay? Ladies, this is a stamp. And this is a stamp. Mine 1. Wala na po akong mine 1. Ate, ano? Tingnan ko po, ha? Wala na po, ate. Ate Merly, wala na po ako. Sorry po. Meron po akong ganito, Ate Merly. Ito po, $8 lang ito, Ate Merly. Baka gusto nyo po ito. $8 lang po. Mine 94. Ang ganda po nito, Ate Merly. Okay? Isa na lang po ito. Okay? Next item. Ladies, ito stamp and coded siya. Two-tone. Mahaba to. Ayan. So, you can use this one para sa mga, ano ninyo, shirts na plain. Sinabi ko na po kanina, no? Ayan. Ladies, I'm giving this one for $8. Mine, 69. Mine, 69. Okay, wala na po. Yan na po ang aking last na Y. Kunin nyo na po ito. Ang ganda nito. Okay? Ang ganda nito. And it's a long necklace. It's a long necklace. Okay? Next item. Wala po bang may gusto nito? Ang ganda nito, ladies. $15 lang. Okay? $15 lang po ito. Okay? Baka may gusto nitong kumuha. Silver ito. Long necklace din siya because ang laki ng kanyang ano. Okay? This is stamp and coded. Grabe, ang ganda nito, ladies. This is premium. I'm only selling this one for $15. Mine 94. 3 charm yan. Mine 94 for $15. Next item. Time check, 7:21. Ay, okay. Alright. Alright. Ito na. Ladies, this one is so pretty. You are so beautiful in me. Ang ganda po nito, ha? Okay. I am giving this one. This is the LV. Okay. I'm giving this for $8. It's selling for $25 before. Now, $8. Mine, 53. Mine, 53 for $8. Next item. Can't you see? Another beautiful premium. The Mine 53 that I was telling you, this is premium, ladies. Okay? This is premium. This, namamalengke na si Aliyah ngayon. Aliyah, buti na lang may time ka, my dear. Isa na, I need 2 minors for the Mine 53, okay? I need 2 minors for the Mine 53. I need 2 minors, okay? I have 253 right now for $8 only. Ay, ano ba yan? Yeah. Oh my goodness, ladies. Oh my goodness. Can't you see? 53 for $8. Aliyah. Okay. This one is yours. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Next item, ladies. This one is also premium. I'm selling it. I'm selling it for only $8 as well. LV bag. Okay, LV for $8 with the blooms here. and some charm. For $8, ang ganda rin niya. And it has also the LV sa connector niya, sa kanyang extender. Okay, for $8, mine 73, ladies. Mine 73 for $8 in silver. Mine 73, $8 in silver. Next. If I have the 73 in silver, I have 88 in gold, only for $8. If you decide to get both, it's only $15. Two for $15. Okay? If you want the silver, mine 73 for 8. If you want just the gold, mine 88 gold. If you want both, mine 73, mine 88 for $15 only. Next item. You are so beautiful. Okay, mine. Can't you see? You know this brand. Okay. This is an Asian brand. You can see this in website, okay? You can see this in website. This is also authentic quality, okay? Oh my goodness, I have one like this, and just take a look at the details. Okay, so it has a small, it's like a shaped violin, right? You can definitely Google this one. I'm not allowed to actually give you the brand publicly. Ladies, I'm giving this one for $6 tonight. $6. Okay? I need two minors. Mine 93. Mine 93 for $6. Mine 93. This is a luxury item. Mine 93 for $6. You are so beautiful. Another one. Okay, another one. This is in rose gold. Oh, ladies, this is super nice. Same thing with the 93, but this one is in small violins. Okay, in small violin. Pag sinuot nyo, ganyan siya kaganda. Okay? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, rose gold. Mine 83. Mine 83 for this. Mine 83 for $6. Next item. Okay. This is my premium earrings, okay? Premium siya. Alright? Ang ganda ni PRA. Double PRA. Okay, hold on. Mine 83 daw. Okay, mine 83 for $6. Sold out. Sold out the mine 83 for $6 for Aliyah. Okay. This one is yours, Aliyah. 1, 2, 3. Sorry po. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Hello, ladies. Hello, 7. How are you? Okay. Now, for this, I'm giving this one, this premium PRA in silver for $5. Premium PRA silver, double-sided stamp for $5. Okay. This is the code, ladies. Hold on. Where's the code? Where everything. The code is 39. Okay, ladies? Okay, double stamp here, PRA. And also at the back, PRA. Okay, this is in silver authentic quality for only $5. Mine 39. Mine 39 for $5. Next item. I only have few left for my. This is Tiff Hardware. Okay. Tiff Hardware. Stamp. Okay. Stamp Hardware. I'm selling this one from $35. I'm selling this for $10 tonight. Mine 95. Mine 95. I only have one. Mine 95 for $10. Mine 95 for stamp Tiff. Mine 95 for $10. You are so beautiful. Next item. You don't want the my 90. This is super nice, ladies. Okay, I have the bubble necklace. My 95. Okay, my 95 for Aliyah, $10. This one. Grabe ang napapamili ni Aliyah. Magagandang items. Aliyah, I think this is your luck. This is your blessed day. Mahal ito. Ngayon ko lang ito nilabas. At alam ko marami nag-iintay nito. A lot. And I put it out tonight. At halos lahat nakuha mo. Okay, so iniintay nila ito matagal na. But I'm so sorry, this is the day na kailangan ko siyang ilabas because it's my birthday. Parang giveaway sale ko sa aking mga bells. Okay, this one is yours, Aliyah, for $10. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. You are going to love all your items. I promise you. It's actually so... Okay pa. So I have... Oh, it's 7:30 na! Okay, I think I need to go. But one last time. Okay, this is double heart. This is the bubble necklace. Mahal si bubble necklace. And this one is also... Actually, kita nyo naman, pati dito naka-stamp and coded siya. These are my premium collection. I've been hanging into this. Ayokong ilabas, but I'm giving this one for tonight for $8. Oh my goodness. $8, mine 5 for $8. Mine 5 for $8. I was selling that one for $25. Okay? $25. Marami rin kumuha niyan. Okay? But now, this time, I'm giving it as my birthday sale. Mine 5 for $8. And I also have another silver. Okay? A silver pink for that. Okay? The silver pink is mine 6. The silver pink is mine 6. Okay? Next item. I'm gonna get this one out. Okay, ganito po pagtago ninyo. Ang ganda nito. Okay, this one is super nice. Bubble necklace. If you haven't had any bubble necklace, I think this one is a high time for you to get this one. Bubble necklace. I'm just gonna finish this whole box. And then I'm gonna say goodbye to you ladies, ha? Sorry, ha? I only have few minutes with you. Okay, next item. If we have the blue, we have the red. Okay, mine 24 for $8. Mine 24 for $8. Mine 5 for $8. Okay. Okay, this is the best. I really love this one. Mine 5. Okay, mine 5. This one is yours po, Ate Merly. Okay, mine 5 for $8. Is sold out po. This is the only blue na may natira na blue gold po. Okay? Thank you so much po, Ate Merly. Okay, matatakpan ko kasi yung blue. So, makikita nyo po, Ate Merly, blue po yan ha. Takpan ko lang po ha. Paki-screenshot. Ay, kaya walang pangalan nyo. Sandali po. Okay, dito ko na lang ilagay po, Ate Merl. $8, Merly. Okay. Gusto ko may screenshot din kayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, Ate Merly. Okay, ladies, meron pa akong pink silver. Mine 5, $6. Red is mine 24, $6. Ay, $8. Sorry, $8 po. Now, this is my favorite. I have one like this, and every time I wear it, they would say, where did you buy it? Because this is mini Tiffany hearts. Ayan po, okay? And they are all stamped. Okay, I'm giving this one as my bye-bye tonight. My 97, $6. My 97, $6. My 97, $6, okay? And I have... All right, my 97, $6. And I have silver. Yung mga may gusto ng silver. Super nice this one, okay? Super nice silver blue. They are all stamped and coded po, ha? They are all stamped. This one is mine. I only have one left. Mine 72 for $6. Mine's, these are blue. Okay, blue silver. Mine 72, $6. And the pink silver is mine 11. Mine 11 for $6. Pink silver. Ladies, pasensya na, matatapos na po ang aking live. I'm so sorry po. Medyo natagalan akong mag-umpisa because there's a lot of things to do po. And I really appreciate those who came in. And if you need anything, you can message me before 12 midnight. You can watch the show. Yung mga items that I actually... hold on. Hold on, ladies. Okay, sandali lang po ha. Ano po yung sa inyo, ate? My 97. Okay, sandali lang po, ha? My 97 is the blue, okay? This one is only $6. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay. This one is only $6. Okay, 97 for $6. And, okay, Miss Anne, this one is yours. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So, marami pa po tayong sale. Okay? So, hindi ko lang natapos po talaga. And, ladies, by the way, I am going to actually, kung meron kayong mga Apo loves, okay? Apo loves. If you have mga Apo loves, we are actually selling our, sandali lang po, ang laki ng mukha ko. We are now selling our, all of our kid shop, okay, kid shop items. Ang baba ko talaga. Okay, sandali lang po, ha? We are selling our kid shop items. If you need mga HK items, I have HK. You know the HK, di ba? Yung may mga Apo loves dyan, okay? They wanted HK items. I have those. I have PJs for mga bata. I also have PJs for matatanda. I'm going to actually have a clear out on our pambata. Bakit ganito ang aking masyadong madilim. Namamaalam na talaga itong seller na ito at ayaw, sandali lang po mga ladies, ayusin ko lang bago ako magpaalam sa inyo. Ano ba yarn? Sandali lang po ha. Itong aking stand ay kailangan na siguro ito bumili na ng bago yung seller. Sandali lang po ha. Okay, there you go. Pasensya na po kayo at tabingi at saka ay, nako, ang hirap ng buhay. Sandali lang po. Okay, ladies, I have the bags. Okay, if you've watched the first portion of this live, you can definitely go. Pinagpapawisan ako. You can definitely actually go to my live, review it. Okay, everything that I actually shown you from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and today, i-acknowledge ko pa yung price, the same thing. But if you wanted to actually mine, please include the price, okay? Pero pwede ko namang ma-review siya, okay? Happy birthday! Sino po ba yung mga nandiyan dyan? Alright. Nag-iintay na yan. Hi, okay. Hi, Lolette! Ngayon ka lang, Lolette, baka meron ka pang mahabol doon sa ating mga items, okay? Baka may magustuhan ka. Grabe those are the stamp and premium items na talagang super bababa. If you have the time, Lolette, to review the live tonight, let me know and then tell me if you need anything. At saka, Aji, baka may gusto ka pa, let me know, okay? So, sino pa po nandiyan? I know that I have 6 eyes right now. I'm going to say, Ate Merly, nandiyan ka pa? Alright? Okay, and I'm going to actually give you over the weekend mga bagong mga items natin at saka mga sale items. I'm going to give that to you kasi I wanted you to have it, okay? So thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga bumati. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. God is good, okay? So just review the live. If I still have those items, I can definitely give it to you. Okay, bye ladies. I'm gonna see you Monday, okay? I'm going to do live on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? So, see you on Monday. I'm going to actually invoice tomorrow, okay? Birthday ko na tomorrow eh. Kung hindi ako maka-invoice tomorrow, please bear with me, okay? But I will try my best. Thank you so much. I love you. God bless you. God bless you all. And actually enjoy weekend. Bye for now.